And then sa July 2023, the management board noted urgent need to expand landfill capacity and acquire land for berth and eco park. Ang berth ang aton nga MRF or Materials Recovery Facility. And then sa October 2023, gin-note man sa Solid Waste Management Board ang critical landfill situation. That is why ang EMB nag-signify dira, kung makita nyo sa highlighted minutes sa right side, nag-signify na sila ma-assist sila sa pag-process ng ECC. No? And then, of course, in May 2024, muna na nagsugod ang obligasyon sa IBM na mag-construct sa aton cell number 4. And then, September 2024, nagpatigayon sila sa public and technical scoping dito mismo sa Barangay Filisa, attended by residents of Barangay Filisa. And then, sa August 2026, muna nang naging consolidate naton ang mga documents yung kinanglanon in preparation for the public hearing so that we can finally secure ang aton nga ECC for cell number 4. Now, kung makita nyo not sure kung pwede ma-zoom, ang sa green nga highlighted portion of item number 3, it states there na ang former OIC naton sa Benro, member, and I quote, Member Tris Puentes said that there was an urgent need for the expansion of the sanitary landfill. However, based on the recent development, we are requesting to increase the land of our birth complex to at least 25 to 30 hectares for a 30 years projection. No, end of quote. Ang point lang dira, the city, way back 2023-2024, the Solid Waste Management Board was already discussing about expansion of our sanitary landfill. In fact, it is clearly stated there sa sina nga minutes, that's July 2023 nilang meeting, nga ang projections ang syudad is good for 30 years. Ang point lang, ang issue of expansion, hindi lang niya subong nga administration. In fact, that is already projected, no, way back.